Rosie gets grounded.
Rosie makes a fake emergency alert and gets grounded. Requested by SPC Colorado 3309.
I am going to create a fake ES alert. Ha 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 ha. Here is my plan. First, I will sneak into the TV station. Then I will put on a disguise. And then I will put an ES alert on the TV. Ha 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 ha.
So, those are the good reasons why you should buy from us. Goodbye. We will see you after the commercial break.
Okay, Joey. That was really good work. Okay. It's our lunch break now. Let's go and buy some food.
Ha 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 ha. My plan is going so well. Okay. Now I will use a disguise.
Okay. I have got a disguise and I have changed my voice to Sally. Now, I will put the ES alert on the TV. Ha ha ha.
Hey, the alarm stopped. It's safe now.
Hey, who are you? And were you in here the entire time? And if you were you the one who put the tornado warning?
Oh no. Now my disguise is running out. No 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 no.
Wait a second. Did you put the fake emergency alert on as a prank? Oh my god.
Yes. I did put a fake ES warning so that I could annoy everybody in the city.
Oh. How dare you create a fake emergency alert system prank to annoy everybody in the city? That's it. Go home now. Looks like I better go and turn off the emergency alert and tell everyone that a stupid little girl did it as a prank. There we go. All finished. Now, everybody knows that a stupid little brat did it as a prank.
Oh, thank goodness. The EAS has stopped, and it was only a prank by some little kid.
I wonder who was it?
Hey Rosie, where were you? You didn't go to the storm shelter when the EAS alarm was on and the TV people said that a little kid made an EAS as a prank. Was it you?
Yes, it was me. I did an ES as a prank so everyone in the city would get annoyed.
Rosie. How dare you make a fake emergency alert system prank?
That's it. You're grounded for 64736487643643782 years. Go to your room now, you stupid brat.